Peace and love, family. It's your boy Sunrise the Divine, and I'm gonna make a video. I don't really make type of videos I don't really make. So today I'm gonna fix my iPhone screen, and I just thought like, hey, it'd be a good idea to show you guys the process. You know, I used to do this with my dad back in high school, and I have an iPhone, and the screen is broke. And you know, I got an insurance with my phone carrier for $100, or I could go to like those screen fixers at the mall for like 80 to 100. But I was like, you know what, let me do what me and my dad used to do and just order the kit offline and get straight to it and fix it myself. You feel me? Because like, why not? I'ma save money, and like, I can, right? So let's get into it. Okay, so I spent about $20 on the kit. I got all the pieces laid out, right? This is the new screen. This is my iPhone, and this is an iPhone 11. It doesn't really matter which iPhone you have. You could pretty much just look up the iPhone you have and order a kit and look up the video and fix it yourself. So here's my screen, if you guys can see. Feel me? Pretty messed up. This is the only angle you can really see the cracks. You see that? It's really hard with like touching the screen, whatever. So they actually have a video, an instruction video on the Amazon link. Before, when me and my dad used to do it, we used to have to look up the video on YouTube and find a random bro. But it's pretty convenient that they have it on the actual, you feel me, like link of where you purchased the kit from. So we're basically going to follow the instructions and do it. So I want to give a shout out to Wayne Zen Store. This is where I'm doing it, on the Wayne Zen Store. Okay, so let's get it.
Yeah. 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 Some say that I'm weird, some say that I'm odd. I might look like a human, but I feel like a guy. Yeah, I'm a guy. Yeah, I'm a guy. Yeah, I'm a guy. Okay, I'm a guy. Yeah, I'm one with the source. Let it flow, no force. Sunrise, you a guy? Hell yeah, of course. I ain't even tryna brag, I just wanna state the facts. I'm a god on planet Earth, but I still get the bag. Staying true to my purpose, going deeper than the surface. They like, boy, what you doing? I'm just here like working. I see past the illusion, I see through the facade. I am one with Earth.
Okay, tribe. So we got all the stuff nice and screwed on for the new screen. Now what we have to do is put the new sealant on.
Lost, I just tap in. True story, no capping. Yeah, I'm leading like a captain. Skirt, had to switch it up a bit. Integrating, then we switch. First be stealing, then we shift. And we healing, transmute all divides. You can catch me with the tribe. Look at the way that we thrive. Look at the way that we thrive. Gotta switch it up, gotta take it easy like a ninja straight from Texas. Doing all these yoga stretches. Amethyst on my necklace. Some say that I'm weird. Some may even say I'm crazy, but I put in that work, so you can't call me lazy. Some say that I'm odd, or maybe even loony, but this was a simulation, and it's kinda cartoony. If I learn one thing, it's to live in the moment. Gotta say with your heart, yeah, ninja gotta own it. Don't be so serious, smile, breathe, take it easy. Go talk to yourself, cause you know.
Okay, so we got it connected. We're gonna place this.
Okay, we the gods.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, tribe, we're at the finished product. Let's see. Ooh, in there like swimwear. Ooh. Okay. So, last things last. We gotta screw the two little things in. They said power off and then screw. Just like that. Brand new phone. Crazy. I was thinking about getting rid of the whole phone.
Nice.
Easy. Took me about an hour, but that's okay.
I know, but how many hours?
Okay, tribe. So there you have it. Yes, I know my hair looks a little bit better than when I first started. That's because it's another day. Same video for you. But anyways, there you have it. That is how you fix your iPhone. I will link the description in the description below. I will link the Amazon link to where you can, get that same kit that I used, and they actually have to step-by-step video on how to do it. And yeah, tribe, if your phone breaks and you don't got $80 or $100 to go get it fixed, or however much they trying to charge you, just spend about $20. This was for an iPhone 11, but it pretty much works the same for all iPhones. Like I said, I've done this before in high school, back when they had the iPhone 3 and 4, and this is the iPhone 11, okay? It's working, it's functional, it's perfect, you feel me? So, there you go, tribe. Peace. Remember, you can fix a lot more things yourself. Good old internet and YouTube University. Peace.